Urban Automotive has once again raised the bar by transforming the latest Mercedes-Benz G-Class W465 with two tailored styling packages, the aggressive Widetrack and the refined Aero Kit. Known for redefining luxury vehicles since 2013, Urban brings its 30th bespoke program to life with striking carbon fiber craftsmanship and bold design updates. The Widetrack package is the standout, giving the G-Class a wide-body makeover that includes over 40 custom carbon fiber parts made entirely in-house. Key features include flared wheel arches, a vented bullnose bonnet overlay with an Urban badge, and a front splitter combined with honeycomb mesh inserts for a dominant road presence. The rear bumper also gets a fresh carbon diffuser and tow cover, completing the sporty, muscular look. To finish it off, the exclusive 23-inch Urban Vossen UV7 forged alloy wheels, handcrafted in Miami, bring a commanding stance. For those who prefer a more subtle touch, the Aero Kit offers elegance without bulk. It keeps the original G-Wagon's proportions intact while adding sleek carbon fiber upgrades like the roof light cluster, rear spoiler, and branded wheel carrier. Optional touches include carbon bumper overriders and wing mirror trims. All parts are built at Urban's Milton Keynes facility using premium carbon fiber, ensuring not just lightweight strength and perfect fit, but also better resale value, up to 14% more than standard models. Both packages are available for the G63, G500, and G450D variants, with optional retrofitting for older models. You can order a new build or transform your own vehicle. If you are into performance styling, luxury craftsmanship, or just love the G-Wagon, this one is for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content like this.